So for my app, my project, I made a food ordering system, and the reason I made it is because the chef at my fraternity house asked me if I could make it, so I figured I might as well try it, and if it becomes good enough, then I'll continue building upon it. So first I'll show you the admin side, and the username is david@admin.com, and password Laravel. It's in the README, so you can check there. So here you have your dashboard with your organizations. An organization is just a company or a customer. So let's try our ITP 405 customer or company. So here you have the menus. I just made these 3 menus before, so when you first make the organization, it's empty. So let's make a new menu. And we'll just call it new lunch menu. And once you're done making that, it'll take you back to the same screen. And each menu is clickable, so you can edit the items in it. So we'll just add a few items here just for demonstration. Like turkey sandwich. Oh, I forgot to make the description, so that's one flash message example with errors. So now it's made, and you can delete the item by just clicking that little X next to it. So when you have a bunch of items, they'll just all be listed right there. So you can just delete it really easily with that little X. I'll also add one more. And once you're done, you can just click done adding items or any of the navigation links at the top. So now that we have our menus, we can set the menu schedule, and I only made it for Monday through Friday, but I could easily change it to include Saturday and Sunday. And since I'm making this video on a Sunday, it's going to, when the user tries to make an order, it's going to just default to Monday. So that's why we'll just set the Monday schedule, and the lunch menu will be our new lunch menu, which had 2 items, which were turkey sandwich and chicken sandwich. So now, once the chef is done with, you could invite new users. So let's say a new user just made his account. Just put it in his email and click invite user, and then it'll add that user to whatever organization that you're currently in. So now we'll make, so now we'll go to the user side. So this one's called david@user.com and password Laravel, and I'll put that in the README again. So it says menus for Sunday just because I made it consistent with the day that you log in, but it's really checking for the Monday set of menus. So as you can see, the lunch has our turkey sandwich and chicken sandwich, and your completed orders for today, those are just test orders that I was doing before this, so you can just ignore those. So let's make a new order. You can click, here are 2 items that we made earlier. You can click whichever one you want, and have a little description and create the order. And when you do that, you'll use pusher to send a notification to the admin side in the current orders bar. So the admin user can just stay on that page and watch as the new orders come in. And now it says your open orders for today, so you can keep track of what is still open and not completed. And once the chef is done making your food, he'll just click complete order, and it'll send the note. I was going to make the pusher notification for this too, but I ended up just not having time. So the user will have to refresh the page to see if his new order is under the completed order section. And that's pretty much all what it does. A lot of caching is used on the organization pages just to save time. And the test, I use the models in the database mostly.